Welcome back. This workshop, we're going to discuss the joining of multiple tables utilizing the select statement. First of all, let's make sure that we're in the Object Explorer. We're connected to the iThinkInfo database. And also within the editor, we're also connected to the iThinkInfo database. For this workshop, we're going to look at two tables to start with. We're going to look at the Cook County Municipality Information Table. And we're going to look at the Cook County Municipality Population Below Average, Below Poverty Table. Now this table contains the name, the street address, the zip code, and the URL. This table contains the name and the below poverty percentage. So the percentage of the population that's below the poverty level. Back to the editor. So let's join these two tables together. Again, every select statement begins with the select. Let's do star. Once again, we'll specify later. The tables in which we're looking to pull back from: information table and the below poverty table. Enter. Now, in the where clause is where we join these two tables. The beauty in selecting the database in which you're looking to pull the tables from is that as you write the SQL statement, the select statement, Toad knows exactly which tables you're looking to pull from, so it creates the relationships for you as you type in the text. In this case, we want to join both tables on common fields. I'm a stickler for formatting. And let's also further restrict the data set by only looking at where the name is equal to neighbor. Semicolon and execute the SQL statement. Okay, so what we have here is we have one record set where we rendered everything from both tables. From one table, we got the name, address, zip code, URL. From the second table, we got the name and the below poverty percentage. We joined them on the name of the municipality, where it's equal to neighborhood. We can change this and look at different ones. In this case, the city name is equal to Bearwood. Now, within the select statement, as opposed to pulling back every field, we can narrow this down. But prior to narrowing down, let's join an additional table to this data set. Other tables that have similar municipality level information is the associate degree table. The associate degree table contains the name and the associate degree percentage. So this is the percentage of the population who has at least an associate's degree. So we're going to join this table with the other two joining on this common name field. So here, we're going to continue with this. So we have one table, the second table. Now we must add the third table. In this case, the third table is associate's degree. Now once you add the table, do not forget that you must then link the tables based on the common field. So in this case, we're going to do and. We're going to link the information table name to the associate degree table name. And execute. Now we have one record that pulls back all the columns for all three tables. The first table contains the name, address, zip code, URL. The second table contains the name, below poverty percentage. The third table contains the name and a percentage with the least in the associate's degree. Now this is an example of joining three tables with common fields, and the common field being the name of the municipality. Now within the select statement, you can narrow it down to only show specific fields in each table. So we'll get the name, the address, zip code, and the URL from the information table. But then we'll get the below poverty percentage and the associate degree percentage from the other tables. This will sound you check for no other purposes only. Okay, and we'll execute. Now, what we have is the name, address, zip code, and URL coming from one information table. We got the below poverty percentage coming from the below poverty table, and we got the associate's degree percentage coming from the associate's degree table. Now, let's take away the restriction of looking at only available and look at all contained within the table. Now we have 115 records joining three tables, pulling back specific records from each table based off the name and here, once the data set is rendered, we can do different things by sorting on fields. So now we know what the city with the lowest percentage poverty, city with the highest percentage of poverty, city with the lowest degree of associates, lowest percentage of individuals with an associate degree, and highest percentage. That's it for joining multiple tables in MySQL using the SQL statement. I'm going to look forward to the next workshop together. Thank you.